Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock any Samsung model out there. Okay, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to the dial screen. Just gonna get rid of this message, and in here you have to dial the following: *##06# okay? A 15-digit number will automatically pop up on your screen. So make sure that you write down this number, as we will need it in our next step. Alright?
Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm gonna show you how the email I got looks. So I'm gonna go to my personal email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful, and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras.
We now go back to our phone. We have to turn it off. So we're just gonna turn it off right now. And then we have to remove a SIM if it has one. And we have to insert any SIM from any carrier. Now I have to turn on the phone again. When I go into the screen, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code. There you go. You see the message asking me to insert the unlock code. This is the code that you received on your email. And there's the confirmation message. So that's it, guys. Your phone is completely factory unlocked. Now you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.